Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Ayman, and in this short demo I'm going to show you how to use Netcat to transfer files between Kali Linux and Metasploitable. Netcat is basically the Swiss Army knife of networking, simple, lightweight, and honestly a bit underrated. You can use it for chatting between machines, binary grabbing, quick file transfers, and even some sneaky stuff during penetration testing. In today's task, we will transfer TikiWiki files between our two virtual machines using Netcat in server mode on both sides. It is super simple once you see it in action. Alright, let's jump in. So the first step, we need to access to the root mode in each machine to get the full permission to do everything. So here we need to type the sudo su. They access directly to the root. If you do that the first time when you run the machine, they will ask you to put the password, but because I did before, so it is access directly. And here the same thing in the Metasploitable. They access directly to the root because again I access a few minutes ago the same thing, I access to the root. So because that they did not ask for the password in both machines. So the first experiment, we will transfer the file from the Metasploitable to the Kali. The Kali acts as the server. So we need to run the Netcat on Kali in server mode. So we will start to listening on a port. We will select it. So here we need to type nc. Yeah, I will use this command, the same. Yeah, okay. So here the nc is the Netcat tool. The -l is the listening mode. Then and the -v is the verbose, so we can see what's happening. -p1234, this is the port we're listening on, and the greater than, this is save the received data into a file. This file will be received. We can put different name if you want, not the same file name, and the data which is coming, it will be saved to the new file name. So here from this port, so should be the redirect the incoming data into a zip file, this one. So Kali now just setting there, waiting for the file. I will just running here. So you can see now it is in the listening mode, and he waiting any file come from the Metasploitable. So in the Metasploitable, first we need to check what we have here, the file, and we have the folder vulnerable. So I will go just inside the vulnerable folder. Then we'll see what we have here. So we have these files. I will go also inside the TikiWiki. So now we are inside the TikiWiki. We check the files. Okay, we have these two files. So we will send first in the end 5. So here we will use the nc, and we will put the IP for the Kali. This is the direction. Then we will put the same port in the Kali, and here we will use the least than sign. So this one should be means take this files and send it through the connection. Then I will put the file name. So should be here is very important to put the same file name you have it. So tiki-wiki dash 1.914. So now it should be working. So here before I enter to send the file, I will show you here in the Kali I don't have this file before I sent it. So because that I opened two terminal to show you in each. So here I will start send. So here when we enter it, so you can see you get something here in the Kali. And he mentioned the IP for the Metasploitable, which he sent something data to the Kali from the port. So here, so in this other terminal, I will show you the file should be here. Yeah, okay. So this one, we start listening here, then we push the file from the Metasploitable to the Kali. So now, we will transfer again from the Metasploitable to the Kali, but here we will put the Metasploitable act as the server. So now we will flip the process. This time the Metasploitable listen and Kali receive the file. Let us just finish each one. Okay. So now in step 1 here, we will run the Netcat on the Metasploitable as server mode. So we will use the nc minus lvp and the port number. Then list down and the file. So this time we will use the second file, which is in the end is 1.9.11.zip. So here we will start the listening from Metasploitable, then we will start receive the file in the Kali. So here I will do enter. So now listening start in the Metasploitable. Then in the Kali I will run the the same minus L. Sorry. So here we need to select not this one. We need to use the NC, then the IP for the Metasploitable, then the port number, then greater than, then the file name. So we send the file 5. Now we send the end 11. Okay, you can see the connecting has happened, and he show you the IP that received. So now if I check again the files here in the Kali, you can see both of them here. So both files, you can see it is received in the Kali. So now we transferred files both ways using nothing but plain old Netcat. Honestly, that's why the Netcat is still loved in penetration testing labs. No nonsense, no fancy protocols, just raw TCP pips doing their thing. Thank you for watching and see you next time.